Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we've got my Ipsy Original, no longer the glam bag. Fancy new bag, let's get into it, talk about it. So now, we're telling you, beauty is more fun here. We're having more fun now. They've changed the writing to black. It really pops more graphically. We're saying beauty is more fun here, using several fonts. Can you tell? The fun is in the fonts. This is the original bag. It's my favorite bag. We used to call it the glam bag. You have 5 products. They will be, generally speaking, deluxe samples. It gives you a chance to try things. You will also have a little cosmetic bag to go with it. It is $14. You will choose one of your products each month if you want to. You can still be fully surprised if you would like to. She's a cute little alligator look. Oh, February, so it has a heart. We should have paperwork that will tell us a little bit about everything that we chose. Well, it doesn't. It doesn't tell us anything. Quite often will tell us about everything that was chosen for us and that we chose, but it doesn't matter. They have a fantastic app that's easy to use, so it's easy to do your choices. I will go in now and they'll give us all the information. This is the For the Love of You, February 2026. From your feel-good playlist to your most decadent skincare, this month is your invitation to romance yourself with the self-care you deserve. So, self-care this month. Okay, we'll go with what was on the outside. This is a set of 2 eye brushes. Here, let me look it up. It is the Real Perfection Crease Blending and Small Eyeshadow Brush Duo. They say it has a $14 value. That's probably fair, $7 a brush. This is what they look like. They feel nice. It's a thicker stick. I feel like brush, handle. Just stay with me. We'll work our way through it. That is what it looks like. It says it is Real Perfection, and I don't know if that's coming across. Can you see? It looks kind of, you know, tigery. The brush feels really nice. I like the way that feels a lot. Let's look at this one because this is what I use most of the time is a blending brush. I do almost all of my brush applications with a blending brush. Also feels good. I mean, it feels inexpensive. It feels inexpensive, but it's soft and it's fluffy. So I will for sure give it a try. I just looked them up online though, and they are saying that it is tortoiseshell. Catherine, not tiger. It is tortoiseshell, and they say they are vegan. So full-size products. Although generally you will have deluxe samples if there's lippies or there's brushes, sometimes maybe an eyeliner, things like that. It could be full-size. And this is $14 and the cost of the bag is $14. So right away, you've covered the cost of your bag. Okay, next out we have what I'm gonna guess is a lippy. It's really cool looking. Let me get on to my Ipsy and see what it's telling us. This is the Dear Midnight Sheer Jelly Lipstick. It has a $22 value, and it says that it's glossy, glowy, and totally effortless. The sheer jelly lipstick gives your lips a hydrating hint of color and 0 stickiness. And they say it is buildable. I have it in Mauve Reverie. Ooh, really? Are you sure? Okay. Can you see the redness coming off that? Let's put it on my hand and see what we get. I don't think I would call that mauve. What do you think? Would you call that mauve? I think mauve is technically, I thought all of my life until I started doing this. So even just 3 or 4 years ago, I thought mauve was like a pink. And then I read about it and it's a purple. And I was like, wow, that is surprising. This is neither pink nor purple. This is red with an orange undertone. Did it say Mauve Reverie on here? Maybe they just sent me the wrong one. No, it says Mauve Reverie. They're committed. They're staying. We'll just put a little bit over this and see what happens. Oh, yeah, no. That's red. It feels really nice. I mean, it feels fantastic. There's not a thing about it that's mauve. I mean, it doesn't look mauve. It doesn't look mauve. It doesn't look mauve. I mean, so I don't care, but it's weird. It feels really nice. I like the color. Well, of course, this is color over color. I like this combination of color. Oh, look, if you did it on your lips, look how much it stained. Can you tell how much it stained my hand? I like it. Personally, I like it when lippies do that so that they stay on your lips a little longer. I like that. Next out, we have the Sephora Size Up. Oh, it's a little baby mascara. How cute that is. Immediate supersized volume, 180% volume. That is a little deluxe sample. They say it's a deluxe mini. They're not even giving us a price on this. They say that it is big, bold lashes in seconds. This ultra pigmented, buildable vegan mascara delivers instant drama with major lift, volume, and length. The formula features cellulose microspheres to amplify each lash while staying flexible enough to layer. So you can take your look from soft to extreme without clumping. So cute. It's just, if you were going away for a weekend, I suspect, oh, it's all brushed too. This would be the one for you. That's so, it could be my skill set. It could totally be my skill set. That would be really hard for me to use. It's kind of big and it's one of the ones that's hourglass shaped. Kind of small. I mean, one of my girls would love to try it. Since it's the Sephora brand, that is super cute. Did I show you guys this? That's what it was tucked in to look like a little perfume. Next out, we have Ofra brown eyeliner. Thank you for not making it sound any different. Brown eyeliner. I will open this up because you never know. I will open this up. We can see how creamy it is. I haven't used Ofra. We got a lot of Ofra for a while, and then lately I haven't really gotten any. We got it out. That is what it looks like. Really nicely sharpened pencil. Oh, very creamy. Comes, I mean, I'm like barely, here, how do I'm not gonna apply any pressure. I'm just trying to show, I'm just kind of have it resting on my hand. And see how it even drew a line when it was just resting? That's how creamy it is. Okay, that feels really nice. Is it brown? Sure, it's pretty much brown. I don't want to take exception with all of their colors, so I'll give them brown. Happy to have it for $13 value. Lovely eyeliner, perfect. And last out we have, oh my gosh, this is so funny. I am showing this before I'm showing that one, so I won't ruin it, but this is an Elemis Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Balm. You will see some of this circle back into my life. Just remember this moment when you do. That is what that looks like. I chose this. This was my choice because I generally like this. I use it as a first cleanse, not a second cleanse, on days where I've worn more makeup than I usually do, or I just feel like it needs a little care getting it off, and I want it to feel moisturized when it's done. And black cherry, I would pretty much have anything that's scented or flavored in black cherry or coconut. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells kind of like a black cherry candle. Not quite as strong as the Black Cherry Merlot at Bath & Body Works, but kind of in the same family. Is it weird I keep smelling it? It's like it's giving me 70s vibes. Something about the cherry is giving me like a Spencer's 70s vibe. I like it. So it's hard. Here, let me show you. I'll take a little bit out. It melts. I'm having a hard time getting it because I'm so warm. It melts instantly. I mean, when you touch it, it melts instantly into a nice oil on your hand. And then it just, see how it's just taking it away with almost no effort? It's just, oh yeah, look, it's gone. It's gone. It's a great cleanser. At that point, you can wipe it off, you can rinse it off, you can do what I do, add a little water, kind of smear it around, it gets a little bit creamy, and then I take it off with one of my makeup removers or one of my Norwex face cloths. I really like it. And then it also leaves you soft and not stripped at all. Oh, I can still smell the cherry on me. Yes, I like this very, very much. I am very happy for my choice. This was a $19 choice. Yes, $19 choice. So this alone was more than the cost of my bag, and I'm very happy to have it. Melt away makeup and stress with this luxurious cleansing balm, infused with nourishing cherry extract and the signature Pro Collagen Complex, which is my favorite of the Elemis lines. It's really, with my sensitive skin, the only Elemis line that I can pull off. I try and do the 4-peptide one and the other one that's the dark green one. Can't think of what it's called. Superfood, maybe. Super Greens? Anyway, My face doesn't love those either, but the Pro Collagen line, it loves. The juicy black cherry scent makes every cleanse feel indulgent. I can imagine. So that was my 5th choice. That, along with my bag, this is our little bag. I have a billion of these. That, along with our little bag, is my Ipsy original for this month. I have the brushes, the eyeliner, the mascara, the lippy, and the cleanser for $14. I think that's a really good deal. And it gives me the opportunity. I've actually never used that black cherry Elemis, so it gives me the opportunity to try that. One of my girls can try the Sephora mascara. I probably won't because I have a couple that I really love. The lippy is nice. I will probably put it up here. I think it's a great color. Like I said, this isn't the color because this is the color over the color I already had on. But it's a nice red color or mauve, depending on who you believe. Believe me. I will link Ipsy down below. I am not an Ipsy affiliate. I buy my own bags. I like them very much. I really wish my icon box would ship. It hasn't even shipped yet, and it's like the 16th. Anyway, so just waiting, just a girl waiting for her box. I think there's good stuff in it. I chose 3 of the products because that's what you do with the extra and the icon box. You choose 3 of the products. And I feel like I chose good ones, so we need to get it. Okay. Thanks so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you're having a great week and a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. If you don't subscribe to the channel, I hope you'll consider doing so and give us a thumbs up and hit the bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I have instructions. You need follow none of them. Just drop by when you can. That'd be great. Talk to you later, guys.